Most traders don't lose because of bad analysis. They lose because they have no system. No journal. No risk rules. No structure. Just vibes, and vibes don't scale. In this video I'm going to show you exactly the Notion system I built to fix that, and how you can use it starting today. I've been trading for about a year and a half. My first few months were rough. Not because I didn't understand the market, but because I kept making the same mistakes over and over. I'd overtrade. I'd ignore my own rules. I had no idea where my money was actually going. Sound familiar? So I built a complete operating system for my finances in Notion. I call it Finance OS, Trader's Edition. 5 pages. Each one solves a specific problem that was costing me money. Page 1 is the trade journal. Every single trade gets logged here: entry, exit, P&L, the emotion I felt, and most importantly, the lesson. When you can see your own patterns laid out visually, you stop repeating mistakes. This one page alone changed how I trade. Page 2 is the risk calculator. You type in your account size and your risk percentage. It instantly tells you your position size and your maximum loss before you enter a trade. I stopped overtrading the first week I used this. Page 3 is the investment dashboard. All your stocks, crypto, and ETFs in one place. Total portfolio value, cost basis, gains, everything at a glance. No more logging into 5 different apps. Page 4 is a budget tracker, because protecting your trading capital starts with knowing where every dollar goes. And page 5 is a weekly review template. 3 questions every Sunday that build the kind of self-awareness most traders never develop. The whole system is available as a Notion template, link is in the description. One-time payment, yours forever, works on desktop and mobile. If you're serious about trading like a business and not like a gambler, this is where you start. See you in the next one.